Oh, well, how's it going there, YouTube? Well, this is gonna be my, I guess, annual toy tractor hoard update here for 2018. I usually do it around the 14th of February. I'm a little bit late on it this year, but you know, things happen and get busy and whatnot. So anyway, I guess we'll start off here with the this is what I call the greatest farm toy collection on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, or even if you've been around for a little while, I know I don't really talk about it a whole lot, but these are little bits of literature and the toys that my fans have sent in. I started a little separate tractor collection there last year, aside from my toy collection, out of stuff that, you know, my viewers have sent in. And if you're interested in sending something in, there's a link to the P.O. box in the description down below. And if you send something in, I'll give you a shout out on a video here. And I guess we'll start off here with the International Harvester side of things here. Haven't really added a whole lot to it this year. There's a W4 kit I picked up from Jolly's Farm Toys last year. I did a video on that. I do actually have to make a trip to Nick's because I want to return those front tires, and I need to pick up a different set of rear tires for that tractor. I guess the biggest thing I've added lately to this side of things has been the big model kit there on I picked up the 400 flea market there back earlier in the winter time. So there's not really been a whole lot changed there. Big 620 Steiger down there, 63-year Steiger. Haven't really changed much there. I guess this is actually the first update I've done, and the collection's actually been smaller because I've been adding to it over the years, and I've kind of sold a few things, but it doesn't really look like I have because I keep bringing stuff home. But I couldn't even tell you the last tractor I got that was, you know, new in the box or bought it from a dealership or anything like that, because I haven't really been ordering too much stuff. And if I do order something, it's, you know, something to be restored or a bunch of parts to make something, or something like that's broken and I repair it to add to the collection. But anyway, there's the top of the cabinets up there. I did sell a few toys that was up there. You know, there's that red John Deere I did. You guys probably saw that video. I seen a picture online of someone that did a John Deere tractor and painted it case colors. So of course here's the glass cabinets here. I'll take a step back and I'll show you guys a little close up. I'll try to get out of the shot. 4-wheel drives and whatnot. I've got one of almost every major model John Deere ever produced in 1/64 scale. There's a couple I need to custom build. That's the only way you're gonna get them. I would like to do an unstyled AR in 1/64. I just haven't had a chance to do it. I think I know how I'm gonna do it. I just haven't done yet. There's the case combines and whatnot down there. Some of the vintage stuff. Some vintage stuff in current production, and of course 4-wheel drives, computer steam engine my grandfather had, and of course you got the 1/64 Oliver stuff there. This is kind of my Agco cabinet. I guess I've got one cabinet for every major brand now. Then you have John Deere, Case New Holland. I guess it would be Case New Holland now, or Case International, and Agco. And of course there's some of the big stuff down there, the big 4-wheel drives. I've got the Kinsey cart and the H&S collectible wagons, versatile 750 right there in the back. You know, S88 Glinter combine, the big blue Kinsey. And there's the, if I can get it out of the glare, that's the new Cat Challenger. But that's the Outlaw Edition, it's a chase unit. Big bud there, and then I got just semi-trucks and whatnot in the bottom. Started a New Holland kind of shelf there. Now, of course, this cabinet used to have my Precisions in it, and I kind of wish I didn't sell them. At the same time, it's kind of neat to have something different, I guess. There's a 140 Precision there, and of course, I still have the 4450. Shout out to One Lonely Farmer there on YouTube. I had ordered a hoodie from him last year, and you know, One Lonely Farmer puts up some very great videos, very informative videos too on how to restore stuff. So if any of you guys haven't been over to his channel, you should go over and check him out. He puts up a lot of good content. Anyway, rolling on here with our video. Got my Oliver and Oliver Hart Par kind of shelf over here. Now kind of my idea of selling off other stuff was kind of just to go with Oliver, straightforward in 1/64 scale, or 1/16th rather. Of course we've got the number 3 Hart Par there and 2844 and go up through the lineup. You guys know how I do it. Most of you have seen this anyway. There's a couple in there I want to custom build. I'm looking for a Teeswater Oliver 80 and a Teeswater Oliver 99 because I want to build a set like what my grandfather had. I may have to custom build them myself, but I'm having a kind of a hard time getting one for under $100. It's hard to find one of those castings, and it'd be just like how I did the 1/64 scale. They took an Oliver 80 row crop and cut it down to make a standard. That's of course my one of my big tractors, my 1937 Cockshut 1828. Of course I can't fit it in the Hoard room here, so a picture will have to do for now. Of course that's also what I'm looking to get into the channel with, is getting into the big stuff and whatnot. I think I'm looking for a WD-45 Alice. There's been a few come up for sale, but the timing's just not right. And of course here's the biggest part of my collection is my 1/16 John Deere collection here. I've got a lot of the older 2-cylinders there, of course. You go up through the lineup, go into the styled stuff and whatnot, and then of course here's the shot I kind of did in last night's video, more 2-cylinders. Of course there's that True Scale 60 I just kind of got finished up, and then there's that 820 that's built by Stefan, for those that haven't seen that video yet. Yoder 830 and whatnot. Down here you'll kind of notice where I've been selling some stuff. I sold most of my 20 series and most of my sound guards. Then there's some of the older implements there came out of that auction score I got back last summer. You guys have seen that video. Behind that box is that 7810 I've been kind of teasing you guys about, and I'm not just quite ready to show you that just yet. That might be tomorrow's video. I'm gonna rivet the body halves together and whatnot, and then, like I said, I'm trying to keep that kind of a top secret for now. Of course that's the new stuff, the Titan 2 Combine. I may in fact try to update that one to a 7720 and put some 4-wheel drive tires on the rear end and whatnot, and a few little things. So that's kind of the projects. And then over there is just a bunch of random stuff I got in that auction score I'm gonna kind of piece together and whatnot. So yeah, I guess, I don't know, it's a little bit smaller in some ways as a number of pieces, but at the same time anything I've added has either been hard to find or kind of stumbled across and whatnot. And like I said, it's kind of neat to have something different, but at the same time, now that I've got it kind of back together, I'm looking to maybe get another 30 series and a 40 series sound guard, and I'll actually build something custom. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. It's kind of neat to buy and sell, I guess, change things up. But yeah, if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll do another one of these videos next year, and we'll go from there. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one.